Here today we have a challenge of changing a repeated decimal into a common fraction. The number reads, express 0.233 recurring as a simplified common fraction. Now, what are we going to do? The simplest method is here. Write the fraction. It is 0.233 repeated. Now, when you reach here, you have to put a ring on the numbers before it starts repeating itself. 0 is not repeating itself, 2 is not repeating itself, 3 has not yet repeated itself. So we put our ring up to this level. Having put our ring, we copy the number. Don't consider the decimal point. So the number is 23 when we don't consider the decimal, because 023 is the same as 23. Take away. We are going to remove. We are going to remove the number which is not repeating itself. Now 0 is not repeating itself, 2 is not repeating itself, 3 is repeating itself. So we are going to remove 02 because we are not considering the decimal, and 02 is the same as 2. Out of the place value of the last digit here, the place value of these 3 is tens, hundreds. Is 100, that is the place of 3, minus the place value of this number here. The last digit is 2 because it was 02. What's the place value of 2? Is 10. Now the next step is now to work on this. What is 23 take away 2? We get 21. Out of 100 take away 10 is 90. But they say to a simplified part of this, we still can reduce by 3, 7 by 3, 30. So our answer is 7 out of 30. We cannot reduce anymore. So you will realize that this is 0.233 recurring in a common fraction form. But there is another method we can use. Let's look at it. Method number 2. So method number 2, we are going to form equation. We are going to say, let the fraction be maybe x. So if the fraction is x, we form the first equation by saying x is the same as 0.233 repeating itself. This is our first equation. Then the next equation we are going to form as a result of moving this decimal by multiplying it with the base, which is 10. So we shall say 10 times x should give us the next equation if we also multiply this side 10 times 0.233 repeating itself. Now what is the product here? 10x is equals to, when you multiply this, you will get 2.33 recurring. This is our equation 2. Why are we doing this? We want to get a number that will eliminate the decimal places here. But here, as you can see, we have 2, 3, 3. Here we have 3, 3. When we subtract, it will not disappear. Again, multiply this by 10. So we are going to have 10 times 10x is equals to 10 times 2.33, repeating itself. Now, when we multiply this, we get 100x is equals to, the decimal will move here, will be equals to 3.33 recurring. This is our equation 3. Now, if you observe very well, our equation 3 is having 0.33. Our equation 2 is having 0.33. Our equation 1 is having 0.23. Now, which one can eliminate for us the decimal places? Is equation 3 and equation 2. So we have to say equation 3 take away equation 2. Now, if you write this, you can now bring the equation 3 and put it there. This is our equation 3. It is 100x is equals to 23.33 recurring. We are removing equation 2, which is 10x is equals to 2. Here we have 2 under the place value of 1.33 recurring. Now we are going to subtract. When we subtract, here is 0, 0, decimal, 3 take away 2, 1, 2 take away nothing, 2 is equals to 100 take away 10, 100x take away 10x, we have 90x. You will realize that we have eliminated the decimal places. Now we have only 0. Any number 0 is that very number. So we have 90x is equals to 21. Divide both sides by the coefficient of the unknown, which is 90. Also this side by 90. By 91, by 91. So the value of x is 21 out of 90. Okay? We can still reduce like we did here. By 3, 7, by 3, 30. So the value of x is 7 out of 30. So these are the two methods we can apply. We have A and method B. Which one do you like?